My dear child, today I'm very happy. I'm thankful to God that He has blessed me with motherhood. I'm also very thankful to you because of you. Today I'm having this Garbhsanskar baby shower ceremony. Garbhsanskar is religious proceedings that are performed as a celebration before your arrival. Today, all family members blessed me. Beautiful songs were sung for the joy of your arrival. I got gifts from the relatives as well. I was feeling like a queen, and whole credit goes to you, my dear. When a coconut was placed on my sack, I could clearly imagine your smiling face on my lap. Today, I'm very happy and getting positive signs from you that you're also happy. It was a very joyful day. I pray to God for a beautiful, smiling, playing, and a healthy baby in my arms after completing this 9-month journey, whom I can nurture with my true love and warmth.